Let's have a look at another two cards for a card combination. Oh, they just want to come talking. So, oh, this is really beautiful. The Ace of Cups is the card of love, the card of emotions, the card of love overflowing, of internal and self-love. This is just the card of all the emotions flowing. And this is the card of victory, the card of marriage, the card of home, the card of coming together. So I would definitely say if you get these two in a reading, this for me looks like a really good relationship. It could either mean marriage, it could mean just a really stable and loving relationship. It could also be a business deal that was concluded in the best possible way for both people, which really is in a nurturing and loving way, and that was concluded. So I definitely feel my first thought why I said it was lovely, it looks like the card of a happy marriage, of a good union, but this could be any good union in a nurturing and loving way.